Install the PayPal app to receive $15, the Cash app to receive $20, a different app to receive $30, and so forth. You can download any kind of app you desire, including those for social media, earning, and gaming. You will be compensated up to $30 for each app you install when you do so. If you use all 5 of the websites mentioned in this video, you might earn over $1,000 every day. I'll give you a bonus website to make 10 times as much money as others if you watch the entire video. All you need is a smartphone device with an internet connection, so you can do this from anywhere in the world, and it essentially works in every country. I'll start with the website that pays the least and work my way up. AppKarma.io is the first app where you can earn money by downloading other apps. You can locate this logo by searching for AppKarma alone in the Google Play Store or the App Store. You can see every other app and game you have installed inside this app's dashboard. You can see right next to them how many points you will receive after downloading that particular app. All you need to do is register for this app, install it, create an account, and then log in to get a list of all the apps you can download. The number of points you receive depends on the variety of apps you download through AppKarma. For instance, this one will reward you with almost 1,200 points just for clicking the install button, and after a few minutes, you may even delete it. They also feature a variety of offers that you can take advantage of. Installing various apps is the simplest option because all you need to do is click install, wait a little while, and then redeem your points. If you'd like, you can choose to withdraw your money using PayPal or some other gift card. How long will it take you to earn at least $10 with this website? For every $10 in PayPal money, you would need $12,500 in points, which is almost the equivalent of installing 10 different apps. It's not much work at all when you consider that all you have to do is click the install button, wait a few minutes, then repeat the procedure 10 times to earn enough points to withdraw $10 via PayPal. The name of the second platform is ysense.com. There are a ton of various methods to make money online right here, but today we'll concentrate especially on downloading apps, because it's one of the simplest ways to do so. They also collaborate with a lot of significant businesses. People are just raving about the amount of money they are making with the various platforms that I performed a ton of research on, and will share with you today. The possibility to earn money here by downloading apps is simply one of many. You can earn money by doing various paid surveys, signing up for websites, watching videos, and doing many other things. To join, simply go to ysense.com, enter your email address, create a unique password for your account, and then click Join Now. You'll gain access to all of the available apps, and each time you download one, you'll be rewarded with real money. I strongly advise you to check out their referral program because it offers lifelong commissions of over 30% if you want to get the most out of this website. This means that you can copy your referral link for ysense.com and give it to friends and relatives you think would benefit from visiting this website, or to anyone else you know who enjoys earning money online. You will receive 30% of their potential income if they start to make money. If they bring in $1,200, you will still profit because you will gain $360 in pure passive income from just one referral. You will generate more passive income with referrals. GetPayDTO.com is a third website that will pay you even more money. The benefit of this website is that you may earn money for downloading games to your smartphone device, which is something we undoubtedly do every day. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. Installing those games and apps is paid. You have a variety of ways to make money, including completing surveys, quick tasks, and online offers. As opposed to downloading apps, all of those will require far more time and effort. Just 2 or 3 minutes are needed to download an app. And you can receive payment right away. Visit GetPayDTO.com, select Join Free today, then sign up to begin downloading the games for free. $1 can be withdrawn after accumulating 5,000 points. So 50,000 points would be required to earn $10 on this website. Be at ease, they pay much more points for each app and game you install. The best aspect is that they accept a variety of payment methods, including PayPal Money, Skrill, bank transfers, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and other gift cards. Simply register and begin making a lot of money. Prizeable.com is the fourth site where users may earn money by downloading free apps. This is my favorite because you get paid right away and don't have to wait at all. You may sign up in about 5 seconds, download a few apps, and receive payment instantly. PayPal and other payment options, such as gift cards, Visa gift cards, Amazon gift cards, and Walmart gift cards, are ways to get paid. I believe it functions in the majority of countries. But you may verify this on your own by making a free account on this website. Sign up for free, install a few applications, and you can start earning money right away. This website is used by over 12 million individuals, so you know it must be a good one if so many people use it frequently. Additionally, since 2007, they have distributed over $2.5 million in cash and prizes. They've allegedly been online for a while and have a web page. Trustpilot and Survey Police have both reviewed it. And the customer feedback is excellent. You can check every testimonial from a PrizeRebel user who has generated income. Start earning a lot of money online by joining PrizeRebel with your Google or Facebook account. The name of the fifth platform is featurepoints.com. Both the App Store and Google Play Store have access to it. Simply search for Feature Points in the App Store or Google Play Store, locate this kind of logo, and download the app on your device. If you don't want to use your smartphone, you can just visit their website on a laptop or PC, register, and begin downloading the apps for free. You may make money on Feature Points through a variety of methods, but one of the finest ones is downloading apps. Try out free applications and games to rack up points. I like Feature Points because, in addition to paying the most money, it also provides access to various apps that would otherwise cost actual money. They will provide you with these apps, which are typically paid apps that require actual money to purchase, for completely free. They will also pay you to install them. You only need to use the app for a short time to receive credit. You can uninstall the app permanently after a short while, and the money you earn will still be yours. By referring someone to this website, you can earn money as well. They offer PayPal and a variety of other international payment options, and you will receive 10% of their lifetime earnings in pure passive income. Visit featurepoints.com, sign up for free, and start earning money instantly. I want to provide you with proof that shows how much money I have made from this website. You can see that I have once again accumulated over 300,000 points and that I have already used this website to redeem some money. With just one platform, featurepoints.com, I can earn over $500 for these points. This works well and has potential. The Plugco.in website is a bonus opportunity where you can earn $30 for each app. People are making a lot of money with this website of the Plu. And you can make $2,000 to $5,000 per day with it. Some people are making over $200 per day with this app alone, so it truly pays a lot. You can download the Plug app and use the apps inside referral links to download additional apps. You may then advertise those referral links, and each time a user installs that particular app, you will receive a certain payment. Select an app to promote, share it on social media, and you'll be compensated. Some users of this software alone are making over 6 figures. It has a ton of potential, but since it won't pay you to install the app directly, it differs significantly from the last 5 apps I showed you in this video. You must advertise those apps so that others can download them using your referral link, and you can earn money that way. It pays out quickly and functions so effectively. You can easily make $30 per app using this app. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.